I'd like to introduce you a very experienced hunter that has a very important message to share with you. Mr. John Webb.
Yes, I've been hunting for over 20 years, but I'd like to talk to you about something that just happened a few months ago. As usual, on a November weekend, I was on my way deer hunting, just like I'd done so many times before. Oh no! Oh my God! Oh, boo! As I lay there, and my mind went in all kinds of directions. What if no one finds me? Nobody's going to be looking for me until tomorrow night. Will I be able to last that long? As you can see, I survived this ordeal. I would have been a lot better off if I had just one bottle of water with me. So keep this in mind the next time that you go into the outdoors. Just don't take water with you, but keep it with you. Thank you.